Look, all those eyes! Ah!
Oh my god!
It's okay, don't go outside anymore.
It's the end of the world! It's raining ice, man!
Oh, this is scary.
We're the end of the world, right?
We're gonna die. This global warming? Did you just say global warming? Does this look like global warming to you?
Global warming has to do with rain. Oh my god. Global warming.
Okay, ready? Let's film Roy.
Oh my god.
Roy's stupid.
Oh!
Oh my goodness. I know, right?
Oh my god, it's fun, right? Damn, that hurts.
This thing is crazy.
I've only seen this once before. Last time,
Yeah,
the drains were flooded. No. The drains were clogged, so none of this floated away.
Oh my goodness.
I remember last time the park over there, it's like, oh,
Oh shit.
the park.
Are we gonna go on a mission?
You wanna go to the park and check?
Okay, let's go. What is this guy doing, man?
Don't fall, Peter! Hey, that's not even a mile. As soon as the light on and like, they're all like, oh shit! Oh my god, that's so close. Hey, the hoop is going away. Should we grab that? Yeah, we should grab the hoop. Save the hoop. Yeah, it's ours now. Theirs. Put it in their yard. Take it for now. Yeah. Well, we need to. Oh well, we're not gonna go anywhere. Never mind.
Me and Darian
I'll see how-
just had to grab this hoop from going on.
Hold on, let me see how deep it is.
Go skinny dipping, Peter.
Hey, stop. Oh, never mind. It's back.
Belly flop. Belly flop. Jump.
No way.
Oh, we'll see how deep it is when he drops
Go
it.
Jeep, go.
Yeah, that's not that bad.
Go Jeep, go. Hey Peter, guess what? Yellow car.
That's not even a fish. Oh, you're talking about that?
Yeah.
I thought you were talking about the Jeep. I'm like, the Jeep's not a Volkswagen. Yeah.
Oh no, it's a yellow car.
What do you mean it's a yellow car?
It's yellow. If there's a yellow car, you.
Oh, there's another yellow car you can tell me.
Well, I have to count.
I'm good. I'm good.
Huh?
Rain.
Crazy shit did you do to your nipples?
Oh. It's just.
I've had my shit pierced before, yeah. I'm not sure I want to know. Please don't tell me you took like an iron to it.
Wolverine is Spider-Man. Guy. Is it almost there? Float away, Ryan! Yeah! Fight the wave! Fight the power!
Oh my goodness.
Oh my god, I'm scared. I don't drop the camera, right? Ryan, don't get in there, Ryan. Don't swim, Ryan's gonna die. There's Ryan.
They're
Man,
gonna get mad at you? For us?
he is gonna get sick. Oh my gosh.
Give him some hot soup and vegetables.
What the hell is that?
It's hot soup.
Right now.
Hot soup?
I don't know, something like that.
It's something good. Take a picture by the tree. Dirty water. Dirty water, right at the top. water is super dirty.
What are you doing there? What are you doing there? Oh, I feel it on my back.
You done now? Hurry, the camera's gonna break.
Oh, dude, I feel something right here.
The grill?
Yeah! Hey, dude,
He felt the
I
grill.
kicked the grill.
The grill, he kicked the grill. Remember the grill? He kicked it. You done now?
What?
You done?
No, dude, I'm going for it. I feel it. Dude, I kicked the grill.
Oh, okay. Take pictures. See?
Are you done? Come on, let's go.